Welcome to the spoken tutorial of Adobe PageMaker 7.0. In the previous tutorials, we learned how to draw objects and how to fill them and how to change their outlines. We studied the basic difference between a rectangular box and a rectangular frame tool. Similarly, an ellipse tool and an ellipse frame tool, and same with the polygon tool. In this tutorial, we'll be studying in detail more about frames and blocks. For demonstration's sake, we'll be first drawing a rectangle and a rectangular frame. As we have seen, the difference clearly is seen with two diagonal lines appearing in the rectangular frame box. We'll be drawing some more shapes to identify. Now, we will be first seeing the various frame options. The frame options are there in the element menu. First, we have to select a tool for selecting the frame options. Here we have selected the rectangular frame. Go into the element menu, click on it, go into frame and go into frame options for various frame options. First of all, this is a normal rectangular. So first of all, we have to change it to frame. We can also do it by pressing Shift, Alt and F keys together. Clearly we can see that the normal rectangle has now been changed into a rectangular frame. To work with it, you can even go to element menu, go into frame and frame options. A pop-up menu will appear. Here we can change the vertical alignment, which is right now top. We can change it to center or bottom, whatever we want. We can even change the horizontal alignment from left, center and right. We will keep it right here. Now there are three options available. The first option is click content to fit frame. In this, if the content exceeds the size of the frame, the content will be clipped. The second option will be size frame to fit content. Here the content will not be clipped, but the frame will be resized to fit the content. The third option is the scale content to fit frame. If we click on it, another menu will appear, that is the maintain aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is the ratio of the horizontal width to the vertical width of the frame. The option will scale the content to fit our frame. We have two options, either by maintaining the aspect ratio or by changing the aspect ratio. We can select what we need. We can even select the inset, the top, bottom, left and the right inches as we want. Here we have kept them all equal to 0.167 inches. Right now we'll be going to clip content to fit frame. To actually apply the changes, click on OK button and then we can see the appeared changes. Another option that we can do is by going into the element menu, going into the frame option and change to graphic, that is change to the normal object. This will make the object as it was. Another thing which we can do is go into the element menu, go into the frame option. If there are many frames, then we can go into next frame, previous frame. We can remove a frame from the threads also. Now we will be seeing how to write text within a frame. For example, select this frame. Now select the text menu, press anywhere within it, write what you want. For example, I will write, this is a rectangle. The text will appear as seen on the desktop. Now we have variety of options. We can first select the frame, go into element menu, go into frame. We can separate out the content from the frame by clicking separate content. You can see that the text appears differently and the frame appears differently. We can even attach the content to the frame by going to the element menu and clicking on attach content. We can even delete the content by going into the element menu. The frame option can also be availed by the shortcut icon on the upper menu bar, which is this. This way we studied all about frames and blocks, how to toggle in between them, how to write text into them, and how to attach and separate the text from the frames. Enjoy practicing with frames. Thank you.